Hi, hello, and welcome back to another video. In today's 10-minute ab workout, we're going to use two household items. They can be water bottles, or in my case, dish detergent, to do an entire upper body workout. So you challenge your arms and your shoulders and your chest and all the things in less than 10 minutes. So let's get started. If we're just meeting, my name is Alina Amir, and I am a certified personal trainer that uses Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube to help beginners with their fitness journeys and look and feel their best. So definitely consider liking and subscribing to this video for future videos. I upload every week beginner-friendly workouts and tips so that everyone can feel confident on their fitness journey and not feel so scared or overwhelmed. And for today's workout, the format is going to be 5 exercises that we're going to do for 2 rounds. So each exercise back to, I don't know why I'm still holding this, but each exercise back to back to back to back to back for 30 seconds on and 30 seconds off. We're going to repeat it twice for a total of 10 minutes. So make sure you have something that you can use as a weight handy. Literally, it can be anything. You don't need dumbbells. You can use books. You can use detergent. You can use shampoo. You can do whatever you want. And we'll get an entire arm workout in. So first, I'm going to go over all of the exercises, and then we're going to hop right into the workout. The first exercise we're going to do is a side raise. So I love this exercise because I love working these side muscles on my shoulders because I just think that they look really good, especially when you have some definition there to have a lean arm look. So all you're going to do is bring the weight to your side and back. Try and do it controlled. If bringing both weights up is too difficult for you, you can just do them alternating, so one side at a time. The next exercise we're going to do is a curl to press. So what that is we're going to bring the weights up in a bicep curl, then bring them up like this for a shoulder press, and then down, and repeat that. So that way you're not only working your biceps, which are these muscles right here, but you're also working your shoulders when you bring the weight up. And it'll look like this. And the really cool thing about this workout is I like to use exercises that when you put them together, you get an overall feeling of, oh wow, I really worked every muscle in my arm. This is one of the best exercises for that. The next exercise is going to be a tricep kickback. So what you're going to do is keep one weight in each hand again. Bend your body at a 45-degree angle, straighten your arms to feel it in your tricep, which is this back muscle here in your arm, and then go back to neutral position and repeat that exercise. So I like working my triceps because when I feel like this part of my arm is a little tighter, I definitely think it looks better. And it also helps you get better at chest exercises like a push-up or a chest press because your triceps are meant to help you during those movements. The last exercise is going to be a 90-degree shoulder press. So this exercise is a little bit harder than a normal shoulder press because you're going to alternate which arm is doing the work, but the arm that's not moving actually has to stay up in a 90-degree angle, which is called an isometric hold, a fancy word for just saying keeping the muscle engaged and still in any type of exercise. So like a plank is an isometric exercise. You're just staying still in one position. So what you're going to do is alternate arms to bring them up while maintaining that 90-degree angle in the arm that's not moving. An important trick for that is also to keep your core really engaged and tight because it does challenge your balance to have one side of your body moving while the other one is trying to stay still. All right, the last exercise we're going to do is a close grip chest press. So for this exercise, we're going to be on the ground. We're going to keep our elbows tight to our body and we're going to push the weight up, straight and forward. And that's all you're going to do. It's a little bit different than a traditional chest press simply because a traditional chest press requires more of your chest and less of your tricep, but by keeping our arms closer to our body, we'll challenge our triceps more, which is something I really wanted to focus on in this workout. All right, so we're gonna get started. I'm so sorry I had to take my mic off with this workout, but it definitely makes it easier to move around without the wire. And I'm going to start the timer and we're gonna get started. The first exercise again is going to be the side raise. So I'm gonna get my dish detergent. Remember, you don't have to go fast during these exercises. The point is to feel it in your muscles. And another trick for the side raise is don't try and go too high like this. You just need to go shoulder height. definitely starting to feel this. I don't need dumbbells, clearly. Okay, next exercise is going to be our curled press. So as a reminder, just like that. And try and make the movement as fluid as possible. It's really easy to kind of be like jerky with it. But if you can do it fluidly, you'll not only activate your muscle a little bit more, but it'll help you just with mobility and everything like that. And also keep your core super tight during all of these exercises. So, a few more seconds. So curl, press, and back. Again, you should be feeling this in your bicep when you do the curl part of the motion, and then your shoulder when you're doing the pressing part of the motion. A few more seconds. Almost there. Okay. Whew. Next exercise is going to be our tricep kickback. I'm going to go to the side here. Bend at like a 45-degree angle. And if that does hurt your back, an alternative that I didn't show you earlier is this. It's an overhead tricep extension. But if your back is okay, then you can do the tricep kickback with me. Try and hold it for 1 second when you do extend. That way you can really feel that muscle. A few more. Phew. So the next exercise is going to be the 90-degree shoulder press. And remember, for this one, it's going to be challenging because you have to keep the weight up on the arm that's not moving. But you got this, it's going to be okay. If that is too much, you can do a standard shoulder press just like this. Or you can do an Arnold press. There are several variations. I just really like the 90-degree one because I think it's challenging and you often don't have heavy weights, and so this is a good way to I'm so happy I stocked up on detergent when I was shopping because it's definitely coming in handy now. I know a lot of us think that we need like a lot of fancy equipment to get a workout in, and trust me, I'm guilty of buying tons of workout stuff. I have like dumbbells and bands and mats and all of that. You don't need it. They're fun to use, so I always encourage people to get them if you can afford it, but if you cannot, you shouldn't stress about it or use it as an excuse. You can definitely get a good workout in otherwise. So the next exercise is our close grip chest press. Also make sure if you're using a bottle it's closed, I have to make sure. So I'm keeping my arm close to my body. Just like that. And if you do want to make this more advanced, one thing you can do is lift your hips and hold a glute bridge during it. Okay. We're halfway there. So now we're going to do all those exercises one more time and you'll be done. And the next one is a side raise. My hair looks really frizzy, a mess, but that's what it should look like if you're working out, so I'm okay with that. Again, when you're doing these exercises, try and keep your abs and your core super tight because, first of all, why not get that extra time of working those muscles in if you're already working out? And second, it's really good for posture, keeping your back straight. I work at a laptop all day, so I'm definitely guilty of like the hunching over, so I have to make sure I'm constantly reminding myself Just sit up straight, use my core, shake it out. The next one's going to be the curl to press. So you'll definitely be feeling your shoulders for several days after this workout, but that's okay. That's the point. And I'm trying to think. This doesn't weigh that much. It's only, I think, a pound. But you can definitely get like water bottles that are a few pounds, or there's other stuff that you can use to cans. That was another idea someone gave me, to use like soup cans. Oh, I feel like cracks in my arms when I do this to you. Okay. This is the last round, you're almost there. 10 more seconds. Okay. The next one is a tricep kickback again. So another option is, if it's a little too challenging for you, you can do one arm at a time. But I'm going to say that if you feel like you can handle it, definitely try doing it the way that I'm doing it, just to get the most out of the movement and the most out of the fact that you're only doing this exercise twice for 30 seconds each. So 45-degree angle and straighten your arms. Definitely squeeze your tricep at the top. Ten more seconds. 3, 2. Whew. Okay. Next exercise is going to be our 90-degree shoulder press. I can definitely feel like my arms now. Okay. I didn't think that this would be that heavy. Shake it out. Do you ever like just twist your arm like that to see if you can like see your tricep? Because I do that sometimes. Okay. You only have this exercise and one more after this, so don't worry, you're almost there. Ten more seconds. Okay, last exercise, then you're home free, and it's our close grip chest press. Almost accidentally open this, don't do that. All right, so arms close to the side of your body. And then push up. I try and make sure that I'm coming down slowly so that I really use my muscles as much as possible and I'm not rushing through the movement. 10 more seconds. And you're done. Whew, and we're done. You've done an entire 10-minute arm workout using whatever common household items you chose, and I'm so proud of you. Remember, you can use those items for any workout. You can add them to your leg days or whatever days that you want, because you don't need fancy equipment to get a good workout in. If you do want to try getting dumbbells, definitely you can look into it. I'll try and add some links to the description box below to help you with that. But anyway, thank you so much for joining me for this workout. If you want to see future workouts from me, just consider liking and subscribing, and then I'll see you here every week. You can also follow me on Instagram at @CoachAlina_ or on TikTok at CoachAlina for more daily content, just because I love sharing everything about fitness and working out and all the things with you. So until next time, I hope to see you there. Bye.